boys and girls. We're going to see if we can sort some of these objects in this pile by listening out to the first sound in the name. So let me say the names of the objects and we'll listen out for the first sound. So first I have a straw, I have a tin and scissors, I have string, a teddy, a toothbrush, oops, a strawberry, half a strawberry, and a tie. Alrighty, I hope you were listening for the first sound in the word. On my board here, I've got an S. The letter is S, the sound is S. And on this side, I've got the letter is T, the sound is T. We're looking and listening. We're listening for the sound, not the name. All right, I'm going to choose an object. I'm going to start with this one. So this one is my tin. Tin. The first sound I hear is T. So I'm going to put it here because this letter T says T. I wonder if I can find another one that has T at the start. Oh, I forgot about this one. This is a sponge. Sponge. Oh, I can't hear a T at the start. No. Oh, that must go here. Sponge. I heard a S at the start. Teddy. Teddy. T is the first sound. Teddy will go there with the tin. Tin, teddy. Scissors. Not tizzers. Scissors. That is a S at the start. Strawberry. Not tawberry. It's strawberry. String. Not ting. String. Oh. Tie. Tie. Not sigh. It's got a T at the stop. Tie. I've got two left. I wonder which side they'll go on. I have a straw and a toothbrush. I want you to say straw. Now say toothbrush. Tell an adult what sound you hear first when you say straw. Tell the adult what sound you hear when you say toothbrush. Alrighty, I heard straw. The first sound was S. And I heard toothbrush. Toothbrush. The first sound I could hear was T. Well done. I'm going to say the words one more time. You can join me. Sponge, scissors, strawberry, string, straw. Now let's do T. Tin, teddy, tie, toothbrush. Now you have a go with some things that you can find in your house. Have fun.